What's up everybody, Landon here with Late Model Restoration. This video will cover my quick overview and install on these BMR rear control arm vertical links with spherical bearings fitting all 2015 to 2017 S550 Mustangs. Under heavy cornering at a road course or hard launches at the drag strip, the factory rear control arm vertical links deflect and flex because of the weak stamp steel design and the soft rubber bushings. The easy way to remedy that is a set of these BMR rear control arm vertical links with spherical bearings. These links are going to be constructed from quality 6061 T6 billet aluminum to eliminate flex, as well as reduce annoying wheel hop. These spherical bearings will not deflect and overall will provide a solid link for the rear spindle and lower control arm. These BMR vertical links are the perfect upgrade for the enthusiast looking to greatly improve performance without NVH or noise, vibration, and harshness levels being a concern. Each BMR rear control arm vertical link is proudly designed and made in the USA, and in the box will be two black anodized vertical links for installation. To get these vertical links installed, you'll want to first support the car via a lift or jack stands. Then go ahead and remove both rear wheels. Loosen the upper attaching bolt with a 15mm socket and the lower attaching bolt with an 18mm socket. A breakover bar may be needed. Go ahead and completely remove both the upper and lower bolts. Tap the factory vertical link out of the lower control arm with a dead blow. Position the new BMR vertical link into place. The larger locating bushing will sit inside the recessed area on the spindle. Reuse the lower 18mm factory bolt and loosely tighten. Reinstall the factory upper retaining bolt and flag nut. Loosely tighten the hardware using a combination of a 19mm box-end wrench on the nut and a 19mm socket on the head. Snug it down and then torque to 76 pound-feet. Be sure and hold the bolt head with the 19mm box-end wrench so it doesn't spin. Finally, tighten the lower factory bolt to 129 pound-feet. Repeat these steps for the other side. Take this time to double check your work and reinstall your wheels. Get the car on the ground, take it for a quick spin around the block, and you're all finished. Now, as far as installation goes, guys, I would honestly allot yourself about an hour from car up to car down. This install requires very little hand tools, but you will need a torque wrench. Other than that, these vertical links require no modifications and are the perfect upgrade for the S550 enthusiast looking for better handling. If you would like to see more awesome install videos covering the S550 Mustang, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done so. While you're at it, be sure and pick up a set of these BMR rear control and vertical links for your 2015 to 2017 S550 Mustang from LMR.com.